circulated. So in this paper I have been discussing how social science is related to public health and in a social science perspective. The issues of sanitations are directly related to community and society since long, but it has been addressed by the social science only recently. Being social scientists, we should work on working models to solve these issues related to sanitation rather than give examples. So, in tribal areas and rural areas, my previous speakers have already explained, so I am not going further. So, in this situation, how the government can implement something. Now the government is looking for working models from social science. In national NRHM system also, they have kept social scientists as consultants throughout India. But those social consultants or sociologists should come out with a working plan so that the government can implement these programs. In this regard, it is suggested that the advocacy tool method can be adopted as a tool. You are all learned, so you can modify the tool accordingly on the spot also as per your need also. In the background, you have already seen this today in the morning that right from Mohenjo-daro to Harappa period and even in many European civilizations also, the sanitation is given importance, and sanitation was always a problem of the urban development department or the municipalities. But as a social scientist, we have never thought, no social scientist have never thought that we should also, why social science should think, because social science can only motivate, or social science can only give a way or imbibe a habit of using the toilet or using clean water or using washing hands before food or after food, all these things. You see, these are all practices available in the market, available in the knowledge, but these are not practiced. So, my humble submission to the Sarkat audience is, we can take this platform as a working model, or take this platform as a strength, and we can sit down once more or twice more, but we should come out with concrete plans. Many government departments are giving money directly, even UNICEF is giving money directly to the block development. For each individual households, they are planning toilets. As Dr. Mania and Dr. Chutrai has already explained that these are not in place or not in use. They are used for cow sheds, cattle shed, or keeping the grains. You see, why that is so? Because the habit is not imbibed into the society or in the community. So that is our role. I think we can play a role there as a social scientist or a social activist, whatever you say. You can argue on the other hand that hum to kin se padhayenge, marriage padhayenge, why we should do all these things. I agree with you also. We should do that. But what is the practical? Unless we contribute something practically to the government of India or government of the state or to the community directly, I think we will be redundant very soon. So this is my humble submission. Please come out with working models, and so that we can replicate it in every place, and you will be recognized, our science will be recognized and respected today. Thank you.
If you will teach marriages, so like in the morning, the wife will need a toilet. Right. So marriage will complete, successful, happy, only have good toilets in your home.
No, sir.
So as a sociologist, you can teach marriages, institutions, and you will not mind. But the exit of the food is as important as Gandhi said. But I say that exit of the food is more important than India. So that I agree with you. You teach subject of sociology if you already have, but these subjects will help you to have a happy life. Only thing I forget to paper to mention. Please don't care for the government reports. There is a story, a real story, not a fiction. There was a minister in Bihar. Later he became minister in government of India also. Bhola Paswan Shastri. The minister for, at that time it was called local self-government. So there was a pond in Patna city, the very dirty. So one reporter of the newspaper, he asked him, and he got a question raised in the assembly, that this certain pond is very dirty and government should take care of to get it clean. The minister replied that no, toilet is very clean, the pond is very clean, no dirty, not at all. Then after a few days, 15 days, there is a meeting in Patna city, and the journalist was there, and he asked the minister concerned, "Sir, you said in the assembly that the pond is very clean, not dirty. So it is nearby. Please come and see the condition of the pond." So minister said, "Oh, Nimal Vishal, you how are you caring? I know the toilet is dirty, but government will not say dirty. It will always be clean." So the figure, what she has anxiety, there were the figures by the government and what she found. The difference, this will exist because this is a bad precedence in government functioning, that government should accept the truth and try to find a solution. But the government has a habit of telling lies, so she should not bear for this paper, should not think like
Thank you, sir.
Since leaving, thank you.